Welcome to Family Gamer TV. We're live at the Nuremberg Toy Fair and in the LEGO booth. As you can see, we've got a whole host of new sets for the LEGO City and Airport in particular. So running through them, we've got 60104, that passenger terminal. Nice big set, blue and grey, and some new wings for planes, so good to see that incoming. 60100, we've got a starter set. Nice smaller pack. Then 60102, of course, got that VIP service, the 4-star wide white limo, and of course a private jet. And then we've got the 60103 Airshow, sort of mid-price range, but 6 minifigures, nice stunt show, a couple of Red Arrow looking planes to my eye, and with a female stunt performer riding on an orange biplane. Finally, we've got that 60101 cargo plane. Again, it's on one of the smaller sets. I'll leave you with the footage from Toy Fair. Let us know what you think of these in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel, and we can let you know we've got more on LEGO coming soon.